Hi, my name is Dreisziger, and I'm the owner of Espace Pilates in Montreal, Canada. I really love the Contrology Reformer because I find it keeps me honest. So when I'm doing my own workout, if I'm working out alone, I'll choose the Contrology Reformer because the proportions, the spring tension, there's something about it that just makes me work harder than I do on any other reformer, I find. And I get stronger faster. I've noticed some things that were really hard for me forever, like hamstring curls on the long box is a great example. Now that I suffered even more on the Contrology reformer because it was even harder with the slightly heavier springs than what I'm used to, now I actually got stronger, and now when I go back and do it on another reformer, it's a piece of cake. So I guess in a nutshell, what I like about the Contrology reformer is it's effective. You get stronger faster.